In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a poll here on Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Discord tips and tutorials just like this. It really does help the channel and we would greatly appreciate it. But polls are a great way to see what others think about something. To create one, go ahead and find any text channel, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is on this left side of this text box here, there's going to be this little plus button. Go ahead and select that icon, and from this menu here, click Create Poll. Type your question in here. In this case, I typed in, have you seen the latest video? And then from here, go ahead and type in your answers as well. For example, this would be yes, no. You can also select the time for this poll. It could be anywhere between an hour up into 2 weeks. And then you can also allow multiple answers too if you would like. From here, go ahead and select post. And as you can see, that poll is now going to be active. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.